Vasari lime-based plasters can be applied on interiors, exteriors, and even inside showers, backsplashes, and wet areas. Lime plasters have been used in showers for thousands of years throughout the world. Sealed and waterproof lime plasters are historically referred to as Tadelakt. Plaster showers are beautiful, easy to maintain, and can last a lifetime. As with all of our products, showers can be finished in any sheen or color. Veneziano is our high-polished plaster. Marmorino is made with a fine crushed marble and can be burnished to a medium sheen. Carrara is made with a coarser marble sand that can be burnished to a lower sheen. Vasari lime paint can also be used as the finish coat. As with all of our products, color and materials can be combined for endless creative effects. As per manufacturer's instructions, install moisture-grade panel boards such as Durock, Curdy board, HardieBacker, Densglass, green board, or similar. Mesh the seams of the board with fiberglass mesh tape, or use specific panel board mesh or membrane system according to the manufacturer. Apply elastomeric waterproof primer on your panel board and tape. 2 coats is ideal. Some systems, like Schluter-Curdy, don't need to be primed. Shower floors, such as tile or stone, are usually installed before the plaster, but if needed, it can also be finished afterwards before any sealer is applied to the plaster. We recommend installing a trim piece where the floor meets the wall. This can prevent potential water intrusion at the base. Do not use cement or THINSET to smooth out panel board. Instead, use our Mastercoat. Vasari Mastercoat is a heavy, coarse lime plaster used to smooth the panel board. It will adhere to water-based elastomeric primer. Apply the first coat of the Mastercoat to the walls. As it dries, it can be smoothed as needed. Wait 48 hours until it's completely dry. Apply the second coat of Mastercoat. As it begins to set to a clay-like dryness, absorbing into the first coat, compress and burnish the material for a smooth finish. After the second coat of Vasari Mastercoat is completely dry, apply 1 or more coats of any of our finished plasters. Refer to our other videos for more specific plastering techniques. Make sure each coat is completely dry before applying the next one. Burnish or polish the last coat of plaster, giving it more natural water resistance and durability. After the last coat of plaster is dry, apply 2 generous coats of Vasari Mineral Sealer, covering any grout. Make sure the bottom few inches are well sealed. Allow at least 12 hours to dry. Lastly, apply and buff out at least 2 thin coats of Vasari wax, making sure that the tile and grout are well covered. Sealers are mainly used to prevent natural deepening of color from heavy water exposure. Like natural stone, lime plaster is an organic coating and can naturally age and patina over time if left unsealed. Wait 24 hours before using the shower. If any dark or wet areas appear after wetting, allow the spots to dry and reapply the wax on those areas until it's completely waterproof. You can wash your walls with water. We recommend avoiding cleaning products with bleach. Stains or questionable areas can usually be removed with solvents, like paint thinner or even nail polish remover. Damaged areas can be repaired with a combination of new plaster, sanding, and resealing. Vasari wax can be periodically reapplied for indefinite longevity. You can plaster over existing tiles. First, clean your tiles, apply a bonding waterborne primer, apply elastomeric primer, then continue with Mastercoat as normal. Shower and bathroom ceilings can also be plastered. It's usually not necessary to seal them. Floors, countertops, and sinks are not technically recommended for plaster application. Water-grade caulking can be used for further waterproofing. Use caulking only before using sealer or wax. Unsealed plaster in a bathroom can absorb and eliminate up to 20% of the humidity after taking a shower. Lime plaster is highly resistant to mold and mildew and keeps the bathroom feeling fresh, clean, and beautiful. For ordering materials, more videos, technical information, and much more, visit VasariPlaster.com.